Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to see about Bitcoin. I think it is famous in the world now. The Bitcoin is online currencies. It was created in 2017. It is kind of a spin-off from the primary Bitcoin, the first and main cryptocurrency. At the beginning of 2020, it was worth $10,000, but in the March 2021, it was more than $60,000. Huge increase, 6,000. Market observers predict it is possible to be worth 4,000, not 4,000, $400,000, and more than in a few years. Further, Bitcoin often described as a cryptocurrency, a virtual currency, or a digital currency, and it is a type of money which is completely virtual. Okay, we can say like an online versus of cash. So you can buy products and services by means of Bitcoin, but problem is some countries and many shops not accept this currency yet. But the PayPal, which is a popular payment gateway, so the payment service, online payment service, PayPal announced that they would be allowing their customers to buy and sell Bitcoin. So it is a huge change, huge plus point for the Bitcoin. Okay, we are going to see how does Bitcoin work. Okay, everybody, you have to know that how does Bitcoin work. Every Bitcoin, each and every Bitcoin is basically a computer file which is saved in a digital wallet application on smartphone or computers. So we can send Bitcoin to another digital wallet, and we can send Bitcoin to another people. So in this process, every single transaction is saved in a public list called the blockchain. Heard about the blockchain, which makes possible to trace history of bitcoins, to stop people from spending coins they don't own, making copies or undoing transaction. Okay, got it. Next we are going to see about why do we use bitcoin. So why do we people use bitcoins? People can spend their bitcoins fairly and freely. Another plus point for the bitcoin, everybody, you have heard about this. You all know the world richest man, Elon Musk, said he would be a big support of bitcoins. Further, he has shown his support to online currencies in recent repeatedly. So this huge endorsement leads to the value of Bitcoin to increase significantly. Okay, because of his support, the Bitcoin value is significantly increased. Okay, and future it will be a good thing. So it will be a different money in the world. Okay, if you have any doubts, if you have any problem, uh, you can let me know in the comments. And if you like these channels, you please subscribe and share your friends. Okay, this is just the beginning. Lots more to come in future about e-commerce and currency systems and investment system. There are a lot of videos will be coming in future. Okay, that's the end of the video. Please subscribe and share with your friends. Okay, thank you.